Phrases such as organic farming, genetically modified organisms, and environmentally safe buzz through the media these days, giving farmers who opt to chemically treat their crops a bad rap. Nutrient and pesticide management serve as necessary processes for the farmers who desire to protect the massive investment they put into their crops every year. Sproule Farms wouldn't spray chemicals if we didn't think it was necessary and safe. The chemicals are expensive and take hundreds of hours to apply to the crop with extremely tight windows on the timing of the application. So if the consumer is reticent and the farmer is apprehensive, why is spraying still a process in farming? Nutrient management, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium help achieve optimum crop yields. Fertilizer applied to crop soil boosts the nutrients in the soil to help feed the plant. Left to its own devices, the growth of the plant uses up the nutrients in the soil, leaving the soil void of the basic building blocks it needs to continue growing the plant. We apply fertilizer in the spring, near the time when the plant needs it most, either at the time of planting or shortly after the crop starts to grow. Preliminary tests performed on the soil allow the optimum amount of fertilizer applied for crop yields while remaining safe for the environment. Pesticide management controls pests, including insects, unwanted plants, fungi, or microorganisms like bacteria and viruses. Without proper protection from pests and diseases, 20 to 40% of the farmer's crop might be lost. Up to 8,000 different weed species threaten the process of plant growth, and 500,000 different insect species feed on growing plants. The farmer needs to do what he can to protect it. We spray to mitigate potential crop damage from anything that would interfere with the production of crops. Sproule Farms takes every precaution when applying protectants to their crops, always with our community in mind. Specific chemicals in specific amounts treat specific problems. Sprayers used by Sproule Farms contains the newest technology to ensure precision spraying with precise nozzle patterns. Because spraying occurs early in the planting process, no residue remains at harvest. If we didn't think the crops we produce were safe to eat after spraying, we wouldn't be spraying them. After all, we eat the same food as our community and consumers when we sit down to dinner at night.